This is Chandrakant from All Time Plastic Private Limited. We are in the household decorative plastic product manufacturing. The company is from last 20 years and we have just recently started our own tool room before 4 years. When we think we have to start the tool room, we discuss with S&T team to select the material, and that time in 2022 we have buy one machine 1050 from the S&T. According to us, the quality what we are looking for our tool, machine had delivered well. After that, 1 year in 2023 we have brought one another machine 850 to increase the number of mold what we are looking for. Since last 3 years all the machines are running in well condition with required quality of the tool and the lead time. The support of the S&T team is quite good in terms of preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance, everything.